Hello everybody and happy Friday. It's Andrea Chapman here at Sewspire.com, and today for our Inspired project I want to show you how to make a set of cord keepers, and these are awesome. For the small one is awesome for holding and organizing earbuds so they don't get tangled up. So what I do is I use my earbud cord keeper every single day. And it keeps my headphones nice and neat, and I can always find them in my bag, which is awesome. So I just wind them around my finger like that, and then pinch them in the middle, lay them in the little cord keeper, and then that's secured with a piece of velcro. And they're just ready to go, and I tuck them right in my bag. So the medium size might be good for like your iPad charger cord. One of the smaller cords, I use mine to wrap up the charger cord that goes to the GoPro. It's perfect for that. And this larger one is great for typical household cords. And this project is going to reinforce our fabric coordinating skills because it's a quick and easy project that's going to allow you to begin to learn how to coordinate fabrics. We used an accent fabric on the inside of each of these. These also make really cute stocking stuffers. I don't know a teenager on earth that wouldn't like to get one of these. Okay, so for this project, the measurements, please tell me I still have them. Yes, I want to give you the measurements. So for the small, you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric which measure 5 inches by 3.5 inches. For the medium, you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric that measure 4 inches by 7 inches. And for the large, 2 pieces of fabric that measure 5 inches by 9 inches. In addition to some sew-in hook and loop tape. Do not try and use the kind that has adhesive on the back. You will get that adhesive all gummed up in your feet and in your needle. Big mistake. I've done it before. It's not the same, and you don't want to go there. So make sure nothing's sticky on the back of that. It's just called sew-in hook and loop tape. And for the small, I used a 1-inch piece of hook and loop tape. For the medium, we used a 2-inch piece, and for the large, a 3-inch piece. So the construction process is the same for all 3. I'm going to demonstrate how to make the large one today, and then you would just repeat that exact same process for the small and the medium. All right, so in addition to the 2 pieces of fabric, you're going to need 1 piece of batting that is the same size as the rectangles you're working with. So to begin, take your batting and position a piece of fabric right side up, and then take the second piece of fabric and position that right side down. And you're just going to align everything. You might want to put 2 pins in that to hold it together. And then you'll notice that the corners are angled just a bit on that. The way that you do that is take the fabric and fold it in half, just at one end. And then take your scissors and just trim off the little tiny corner. So that gives you the same angle on both sides when you fold the fabric in half. Now we're going to stitch down a long end, across that angle, across the front, across the next angle, and all the way up. You're going to reinforce at the beginning and the end. And for this, I am using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Remove those pins, and you can see I've stitched all the way around, leaving this unangled end open. I'm going to reach inside there and flip that right side out. And I just use my thumb to get down there at the angle and poke out those corners. And then I'm going to iron this flat. So now I have it nice and pressed, and I'm going to take this open end with my fingers and just fold that over a little less than 1/2 inch, so everything's tucked inside of there. I'm going to press that down. And then I'm going to stitch that opening close, and I'm going to continue top stitching all the way around the edge. And I'm going as close as I can to the edge without going over. So whatever you're comfortable with there, as long as you are close enough to the edge that you get this end completely sealed up. And you will use a backstitch to reinforce at the beginning and the end and lock in that stitch. Alright, got my top stitching all the way around, looks great. I'm going to trim up these little threads. And then I get to decide which fabric I'd like on the exterior. I'm going to go with the flowers because they're so pretty. So I'll take my Velcro, and I like to attach the rough edge at the top where the angles are for the corner. So I'm going to position that Velcro across the top of the angled corners on the side that I want to be on the interior of the cord wrap. Now when you're sewing Velcro, you want to stitch as close as you can to the edge of the Velcro. There is a little strip there on either edge that is designed for you to stitch down. So just go nice and slow. You will reinforce at the beginning and the end. You're going to stitch down this side and then down the other side. And I've attached my Velcro. I need to trim up the strings. Much better. Okay, then you're going to fold this into thirds. and get an idea where you need to position the second piece of Velcro. That just worked out perfectly with that little flower there, didn't it? I really didn't plan that, but it sure looks nice. Okay, so I'm gonna lay that Velcro on there and make sure that that's a good position for it. And then you could pin it in place if you like. I'm just gonna hold it and stitch down both sides. So now this softer piece of Velcro is being attached to the other end on the opposite side. Same thing, attach the Velcro. I just need to trim up those threads. And my cord catcher is complete. So this is what it looks like on the exterior, and that is the interior. And that just folds over. It's just so fun, right? Super cute. What a great little gift. You can make a set of these for somebody. It'd be such a nice way to just organize all those cords, because doesn't everything come with a cord these days? So I hope you enjoyed that project. I would love it if you would share this video link with your social media community. And I also really enjoy seeing your projects, your cord keepers on Instagram. So if you can tag at Sewspire on Instagram, that would be so great. And it just makes me happy to see that you're out there making it, that you're enjoying these videos. That's really, if you don't tell me that you're enjoying them, I will have no way to know. So I really appreciate all the emails and the comments. They mean so much to me. I hope you all have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you back here next Friday for another fun project.